Hi. So I'm going to talk a little bit about a very interesting area of work within HFI and an area that is very close to my heart. It's the area of innovation. And at this point in time, I'm really excited about this entire space of innovation because all of a sudden, this word seems to crop up everywhere across the world. You look at any blog, this is the topic of discussion. It's the subject of very high-profile seminars across the world, the best-selling books on innovation coming out one after the other. Organizations suddenly seem to be sitting up and taking note of this term that has become very, very important in the corporate arena. So why is innovation suddenly in the spotlight? I think, we have to step back a little bit and see what is innovation and sort of how does it impact an organization? As far as I understand, innovation is really about challenging our assumptions and shifting paradigms. It's about creating those breakthrough concepts, whether in products or services, that redefine the entire experience that an organization wants its end users to have while using its products and services. So, successful innovation enables an organization to fold in the future into their current strategy and thereby get this huge advantage over its competitors. And that's where the word strategy somehow is so very important in the fact that innovation has become so very popular. Because strategy is what enables an organization to change its direction and to zoom ahead of the rest. If that's the case, why is it that HFI is, in this space that deals with creating or shifting strategy when HFI is really a company that deals very fundamentally with usability, user-centered design? Where is the connection? Also for all of us, you and all of us in HFI, how does this strategic stuff really impact our lives as people who are trained in the area of delivering classical usability, the can-do stuff? I'd like to explain that with two very current concepts. What's the connection? The two concepts are, interestingly, N equal to 1 and R equal to G. These are not my concepts. They're actually hot off the press, so to speak, from the recent book on innovation by very famous management guru C.K. Prahlad. What he says is that there's going to be a huge paradigm shift in terms of organizations who succeed and really move to the top of the value chain will be organizations who learn to design and develop their products and services for a population of N equal to 1. Yes, to design and develop a unique product and experience for every customer. It's the opposite of what we are used to, the mass industrial production. Now, if you're going to develop and design products and services that are unique for each customer, can you imagine the level of personalization that is going to be needed? The amount of co-creation involving the end user in the whole process? Without that, it's not possible to design for every single customer a unique experience. The other concept that he has, R equal to G, expanded, what it means is resource is going to be equal to a global network. So he posits that if a company is going to be successful in designing and developing products and experience uniquely for each customer, they need to have resources that are spread across the world. It is not just a set of resources that exist in one particular location. It's going to be a network of multidisciplinary, multicultural resources. And the experience that is designed has to be scalable across different cultures, has to be global in its applicability. So now we come full circle. If these concepts are going to be the bedrock of companies that are going to be successful, what are the skills that will be needed to do this kind of work? Personalization, co-creation. What that implies is we need people who understand how to uncover the end user's needs and wants in terms of personalization. We need people who know how to involve end users in the process of co-creation. That sounds remarkably like everything we've learned in user-centered design. And that's why the link between all of us, trained classical usability professionals, all of us have a major opportunity right now where we can leverage our existing skills, upgrade to the additional skills we need in order to deliver designing of breakthrough products and concepts, and hence deliver strategic innovation. That's also the way that suddenly we, all of us, usability professionals, will find that our design services, our skills are catapulting us to the boardrooms where strategy and innovation are the kings right now. Interestingly, HFI has, I think in the last 4 or 5 years, been working in the field of strategic innovation. We've done a lot of work in this area and naturally therefore built a large body of best practices as well as a very robust process to deliver strategic innovation, which is very, very important. And so HFI has over this period expanded its sort of portfolio of services from the classical usability or can do to include the new persuasive design methods or will do, and then of course all the way to the absolute breakthrough products and concepts or the breakthrough. So it's a trio that is now coming together, the can do, will do and breakthrough. Many of you may know that Eric has designed this brand new course which teaches you how to do persuasive design, and that's being delivered over the next 2 weeks actually in Baltimore. However, this is inside information. Now we've started work on our next course, which is a course on strategy. It's a course that is going to teach how to design breakthrough products and services and hence how to deliver strategic innovation. So keep in touch. Thank you.